Okay, this is senior CEO and CEO with assignments. Our topic is communication systems. Okay, so now what is the first question here? A digital signal is a digital signal. Okay, so here the what is the question means comparison of a digital signal with another signals. Okay, so we have two types of signals only here. One is analog and another one is digital signal. But analog means it is a continuous signal. It is a continuous signal or sinusoidal. Okay, that means these signals will be like that. Okay, but digital are discrete. Digital signals are discrete signals. It doesn't continuous, which is discontinuous. Okay, so they will be like that. Okay, here the maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is 0. Like that we have digital signals. Okay, so but digital signal is more effective than analog signals. So a digital signal is more reliable than analog signal. Okay, next, second one. The TV broadcasting. Okay, so TV broadcast means what is the frequencies required for TV transmission of TV signals, which requires both audio and video signals. Okay, so to transmit for large distances we require more frequency, which will be in the range of megahertz. Okay, so very high frequencies and ultra high frequencies. So we require very high frequencies and that means VHF and ultra high frequencies. Okay, so this is UHF. So for transmission of TV signals, definitely we require very high frequency ranges and ultra high frequency ranges. Okay, next, third one. The higher frequency TV broadcasting band's range is. So for a very high frequency band ranges will be from 54 to 72 megahertz and also 76 to 88 megahertz and which is 88 to 108 megahertz. So these are the frequency ranges for very high frequencies. For ultra we may use the signals will be 174 to 216 and 420 to 890 megahertz. Okay, so these are the frequency ranges for ultra high frequency ranges. So we get effective TV broadcasting maybe in these frequency ranges. Okay, so for this frequency the TV broadcasting will be effective. Okay, next, fourth one. Bandwidth of an optical fiber. So this is one mode of broadcasting of signals, either audio or video, whatever it may be. But by means of optical fiber we may require very large frequencies which will be in the range of 1 terahertz. 1 terahertz means 10 power 12 hertz. We can write this as 1000 gigahertz also. Means 1 gigahertz is equal to 10 power 9 hertz. So remember that. For optical communication, we require 1 terahertz. Okay. Next, our fifth question. The frequency above which radiation of electrical energy is practical. Practical means, so for what frequencies we can send or broadcast the frequency signals. Okay. So message signals can be transmitted for frequencies more than 20 kilohertz. Remember that. So after this frequency, or the message signal which should have definitely 20 kilohertz. So for these frequencies only we can transmit for large distances by broadcasting. Okay.